Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to undo changes here in Monday.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Monday.com, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Undoing changes in Monday.com is a straightforward process that can be crucial if you have made a mistake or need to revert to a previous state. Alright, for example, let's take this for example. I'm going to resize this one. I've added this specific image right now. Alright, and I don't want to add this specific image. All I'm gonna do is press Ctrl+Z to undo any changes. Alright, that's one way. Now, for example, I have like maybe archive this specific board. All right. You see, if you wanted, just click on the undo button. All right. Because that would be able to quickly recover and prevent any potential issues. All right. Because undoing changes allows you to revert to a previous state of the border item, which can be crucial if recent updates have negatively impacted your workflow or data. For example, you have maybe deleted this specific this one right here. There's going to be an option here that says delete by accident. All right, delete. Just click on the undo. All right, restoring one selected. Okay, so reverting any unwanted changes here in Monday.com is a straightforward process, and I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.